Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, you will learn how to get free no copyright music from YouTube library. So this is a request from one of my subscribers. And actually this is very basic because YouTube has a library for you to download the music, and everything is free and you will never got copyright claim from them. Okay, so it's very simple. Here I am on my YouTube homepage. So click on this button, okay, and we need to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, go to Studio. Alright, so at the YouTube Studio you need to go to the audio library. So down here on the left side you have the audio library, so just click on that. Alright, so here are all the songs you can download and use it for your video. We have free music here and sound effect. So sound effect also free, and star is something that you love and you can press the star and you can have it here. For example, this is my favorite background music, Two of Us. And normally I will use this one for my video, all of my video, because I'm just a lazy man. I don't want to select another music. By the way, you can go here at the free music, and remember you have the option here. For example, you can search or filter the library, so it is very useful. For example, you can put the track title and the genre, mood, artist name, and duration, and also attribution. Whenever you select anything here, remember we have two types of license here. The first one, attribution not required, meaning that you can use any for any video on YouTube. You can monetize your video, stuff like that. But if the song is marked with attribution required, then you have to credit the author. So you need to copy the link to their music and then put in your video description. For example, here if we choose attribution required, and then we can press enter to start. Okay, no need to press enter, and you can see here license type CC, Creative Commons Attribution for 4.0. You are free to use this track, however you must include attribution. Okay, so attribution information, when or where you can find it. Firstly, when you need to download this song, for example, you can click on download and it will download to your computer. Okay, and here's the information about the attribution, and you need to click on this button to copy this one, and then when you upload your video you need to put this information at your video description. But normally I will not choose this type because sometimes I just forget to put this information at the description, and then maybe I will got copyright strike. Okay, so that's it, very easy, right? And for the filters, you can apply multiple filter to this. For example, if you select genre, you can select ambience, cinematic, classic, and country, and folk, or stuff like that. So you can select multiple filter here, and then you click apply. Okay, so these are all the songs that you can select, and the best way to get the good music is that you need to listen. Click on this button to listen to it, and if you think it's okay, and then you can download it. And for example, whenever you want to just sort by this genre, classical or stuff like that, you can click on this button. Short also become all, the song will become all classical. And here is also the same, and this is the same. It has 3 lines here, and you can click on that. For example, if you love this author, you can just click this line, and it's all about this author, and it will add the filter here at the search box here. So that's easy, right? So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel. I'm teaching about Filmora and also sometimes about YouTube, and that's all. Okay, goodbye and see you again.